So Kylie, you ever had an experience at a hairdressing salon where you had your hair, say, cut or coloured, and it was less than what you expected, not what you wanted?
Yeah, absolutely. Went in one day and I told them, they asked, what would you like done? And I told them, and we're chatting away, and they're like, and when I left, it looked nothing like what I'd asked for. Actually, when I was sitting at the salon, I was like, I didn't really like this at all, but I never said anything.
And did you complain to them, or what did you do?
No, unfortunately I didn't. I just never went back again.
You didn't get a phone call from them?
No, not at all.
If you got a phone call from them asking how it was, would that have been good?
Yeah, absolutely. Then I would have probably been more inclined to explain to her that it wasn't what I'd actually asked for.
Was that your first visit?
Yes.
Okay. So if you got the phone call and they asked you about it, would you have given them a second chance?
Yes, I definitely would have. And it would have given me a chance to be a bit more open, I think, about and let them know that I didn't like it.
So back to the salon, did you like the look of the salon and the feel of the salon and the colours?
Yes, definitely. And the lady was lovely, and having a chat, that's probably a lot of it. We were having a chat and got all caught up in what we were talking about that I probably didn't notice so much till the very end. I think that's probably why I did feel bad and didn't say anything. I didn't want to hurt her feelings.
Yeah, you didn't want her to feel it.
Yeah.
So you just went elsewhere.
Yes.
Were you as happy at the other salon that you went to with your experience? So you went to another salon?
Yes.
Yeah, it was good?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Kylie.
No problem. Thanks, Liz.